Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone for control. You can use gestures and touch areas located on the sides, right here and right here. We have it, and with it you can play next or previous track or next or previous movie. You can volume control your music. You can also control ambient sounds, so you can swap between ANC, transparency. With it, you can call voice assistant, turn on, turn off game mode, so it's a good one. And you can customize it also. You need to open EDIFIER application and then go to the settings, and right here we have control settings. So you can set something else. At this video we have, at this channel we have a video how to customize it, so you can check it, and I select right here the best one, that what these earbuds offer by default. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, so it's a good one, what means active noise cancellation. And right here we have three modes: high, medium and low, and you just select the best one for you. By default it uses high, but you can lower it and use it. And when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can select transparency mode, what called ambient sound. And also right here we can change it. We can increase this transparency level, and we have also wind reduction here, so you can also use this mode. You can improve your listening experience with these earbuds by changing Equalizer presets. And right here in the sound effects we have not this one. We have 3 presets, and the 5th one is a custom one, so you can also make something good for you. Or here's Bass Boost, so you can also use this mod. This is my favorite mod, I use it all the time. Next one, if you play games, right here we have game mode, and you can enable it by a gesture, but you need to add it or in the application, so you just tap on it. But I don't recommend it to use this mod all the time, because you may have connection instability with this mod. So when you play games, you can enable it, and then I recommend it to disable it. Next one, these earbuds have dual connection, and it means that you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. But you need to also go to the settings here, then multipoint connection, and enable this feature here. When you lose your earbuds, you can find it in the application and you will play a sound for it. But your earbuds should be connected to your phone, so if your earbuds inside the charging case and the case is closed, you cannot find it. But if it open, you can easily find it. You click search, you can volume control the sound by control the volume on your phone. Next one. This is the hugest plus for Android devices, because this earbuds support LDAC, what means high resolution Bluetooth audio codec. But firstly, if you have iOS, you cannot use it because your iPhone supports AC codec, and this is a maximum. It doesn't support LDAC or aptX or LC3. But if you have Android, and yes, not all Android phones support LDAC, so you need to check is your phone support this codec. And then you can use it, and it's really a good one. It also improves your listening experience. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you just put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, the right side we have connection button. You press 3 times on it, this LED light on the front side starts blinking orange, and then you just reconnect your earbuds with your phone. At this channel we have video how to do this, so you can check it if you don't know. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!